Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create a meeting in Google Sheets on computer. So how to create a meeting in Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Google Sheets. Just tap the plus icon here. Now this is the initial display of the work page. Next, move the cursor to the right of the screen. Here there are several menus. Tap this camera menu. Now here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Start a New Meeting menu. Now here a meeting call will appear on the right side of the screen. To enlarge the call screen, move the cursor to the top right of the screen and tap this icon. Now here you can see the meeting or call display on Google Sheets. You can use it for meetings. So that's it, tutorial how to create a meeting in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.